Hello everybody, and you are watching the Killer Eagle. I'm gonna play Exo Survival today and Call of Duty Advanced Warfare on the PS3. I have do it before, but not. This is one of the first time I do it. One of the first. Hopefully I get far and yeah. Hopefully. Okay, where was my gun? Oh, wait. This game was already... Oh, I joined a playing game. Oh shit. I know I was not good in this stuff. Hopefully you find me. No! No! You don't find me, no, I'm dying. Oh, I'm died. Oh fuck, I'm died. Oh, I'm back. What happened? Okay. Maybe I can get another weapon, but this sucks. Ooh. Oh, I can do it. Okay. Hopefully, you don't, I don't know how to say it, hopefully you enjoy and don't find it a little bit bad quality. It is bad quality, but better than nothing. Oh, this is not easy. Really not easy. Okay then. Oh, it's done. It's already done. Oh. Oh. Okay. I'm gonna play it. Oh yeah. This is one of the first Call of Duty videos. Hopefully you don't find it bad. Maybe you find, but I can leave something in the commentary then. Please. Round starting in 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, what? No, not more of the things. Oh yeah. I'm gonna do it. Yeah. And another. Oh no. Oh no, he knows where I am. God sucker. God. What the fuck? Where is it? Yeah. Oh, what? Oh, it's an enemy. Oh, look. It was an enemy. Oh no. I don't see it. Oh, shit. I thought we were teammates, but it was an enemy. I was scared. Really, really scared. Hey. Am I in the off? fuck, what, where did it come from? Where? Oh, fuck. Oh yeah, I get in. I need to do it. Robert. Oh, those games again. Ooh, this is good. This is really, really good. Yes. Oh no, my weapon. No, I want a new attachment. I go for it. Yeah. Yeah. Attachments, please, please. Oh, fuck. That was the only thing. Oh. Yeah, UAV, I am so powerful. Ba-da-ba-da-ba-dum. I have unlimited power. Unlimited power. Oh no, oh no, oh no. He sees me. Oh no, oh no. Oh no. No, I am dead. No. No. You not come about me. Ah. Oh. No. We are defeated. No. I am defeated. Oh fuck. Oh, hidden American. I know it. With a knife. Oh no. He has nothing. Normally. That was fun. Maybe someone online. Maybe. Aww. Minecraft. He's playing Minecraft. Oh. No, I'm gonna leave here. That was not fun. Maybe I can play Minecraft. Now. I go do another video for that. But hopefully you enjoyed. That was Killer Eagle for today. Bye!